Good morning everyone. Welcome to Trivedi Memorial Senior Secondary School online classes. Students, today we are going to revise Unit-10 chapter, which is from your Marigold book, English, The Grasshopper and the Ant. This is the summary of your chapter. The story is about a lazy grasshopper. The grasshopper was so lazy and spent his whole time idle. You might already known about the story, you might very familiar about the story that the grasshopper was very lazy and did not want to work. That was a summer season and hardworking ants were working day and night to store the food for the winter. In the story, grasshopper was very lazy and the ants were working all the time through the summer for storing the food for the winter, for the coming winters. The grasshopper often laughs on them. Summer ended and cruel winters arrived. It started snowing. There was nothing to eat. As you know, the winter arrived and grasshopper did not work all the summer, so he has nothing to eat. The snow was everywhere. Grasshopper suddenly remembered that he saw its neighbor ant storing food for the winters, and last he visited them, the ant shouted on him and called him lazy. As he did not work, he had nothing to eat, he left lazy, he was hungry. Finally, Grasshopper learned the value of the hard work. Finally, he learned how the hard work he has not done, because he was laughing and singing and dancing all the time, and the ants were eating food and he left hungry. So these are the MCQs about the story. Who were hardworking? Ants, insects, birds, grasshopper. As you know, the answer is ants. How did who was lazy? Ants, insects, birds, grasshopper. Grasshopper is the right answer. Who did not like to work? Ants, insects, birds, grasshopper. Grasshopper is the answer. What were ants doing in the summer? Singing, playing, storing grains, dancing. The answer is storing grains. According to the story, this is the assignment that you have to do. This is the English worksheet, class 2 chapter Grasshopper and the Ant. Now match the words with their meanings. Hardworking, hot, very small, one who works hard, food, light of the sun. The answer is works hard, one who works hard. Grain, food, sunshine, light of the sun, tiniest, very small, warm, hot. These are the fill in the blanks according to the story. Grasshopper did not like to work. Ants were storing for the winters, grains. The wind, strong, blew. The wind blew strong. The lazy grasshopper was left as dash as before, hungry. Now these are the rhyming words according to the story. Sick, so many rhyming words you can write here. Kick, tick, big, fig, fat, hat, cold, hold. Now give answers of the following questions. How did the grasshopper spend his days? Grasshopper spent his days in singing and dancing. Did the grasshopper find the food in winter? No, the grasshopper did not find food in winter. Now this is the fifth question, true or false. Grasshopper was lazy. This statement is true. Ants were very hardworking. This statement is also true. Ants helped the grasshopper with food. This statement is false. So this is the assignment that according to the story you have to do in your fair notebook. Now please like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you everyone.